long lines and frustration over Britain's coronavirus testing system.
Another guy had been queuing since 4:30 in the morning to get tested.
Wow.
It's ridiculous.
They said because the labs couldn't turn them around, so they can't give anyone, and you have to make an appointment.
Amid reports of bottlenecks, delays for both testing and results around the UK, the British government vowing to boost laboratory capacity.
When will the capacity be in place?
We will be up at 500,000 by the end of October.
Will that be enough to meet the demands?
We sincerely hope so, but what has happened is that demand has massively accelerated just in the last couple of weeks.
The UK reporting nearly 4,000 new cases Wednesday, and the known death toll there, the fifth highest in the world, is topping 41,000. On Monday, England introduced new restrictions on social gatherings, limiting them to 6 people. And more measures could be on the way. The Evening Standard reporting London could impose curfews. To the U.S., home to the worst known outbreak in the world with nearly 200,000 confirmed coronavirus deaths, a new report from the Centers for Disease Control highlighting racial inequities when it comes to the pandemic, revealing that of the 121 young people under 21 who died of COVID-19 in the U.S. between February and July, more than 75% have been Hispanic, Black, and Indigenous children. Now, Donald Trump was pressed about his coronavirus response in a town hall anchored by ABC News' George Stephanopoulos Tuesday night.
I didn't downplay it. I actually, in many ways, I upplayed it in terms of action.
Trump contradicted his own remarks made on tape during an interview with journalist Bob Woodward back in March.
I wanted to always play it down. I still like playing it down.
Yes, sir.
Because I don't want to create a panic.
Trump was also asked about masks. He gave this bizarre response.
A lot of people don't want to wear masks. There are a lot of people think the masks are not good. And there are a lot of people that, as an example,
Who are those people?
Well, I'll tell you who those people are. Waiters, they come over and they serve you and they have a mask. And I saw it the other day where they were serving me. And they're playing with a mask. I'm not blaming them. I'm just saying what happens. They're playing with a mask, so the mask is over, and they're touching it, and then they're touching the plate. That can't be good.
A much different message Wednesday from members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force.
Face masks, these face masks are the most important, powerful public health tool we have. And I will continue to appeal for all Americans, all individuals in our country, to embrace these face coverings. I've said it, if we did it for 6, 8, 10, 12 weeks, we'd bring this pandemic under control. These actually, we have clear scientific evidence they work, and they are our best defense.
Since the post-Memorial Day peaks in community spread, the number of new COVID-19 cases is down 48%. But let me say emphatically that these gains could be fleeting or even reversed if we do not continue to follow the national plan and exercise personal responsibility, especially wearing masks and avoiding crowds.
And while there's no proven or approved coronavirus vaccine just yet, the head of the CDC saying Wednesday he expects limited vaccinations to be ready by November or December, with enough doses for Americans to return to what he calls regular life by the third quarter of 2021. Melissa Duggan, City News.